You are welcome to this presentation. My name is Sam Oidowu. I want to share with you the financial intelligence for pastors and ministers, a powerful blueprint that guarantees consistent 6 to 7 figures in a passive monthly income by converting your neglected skills to cash generating machine. But before I go ahead, I want to give this warning. I know I'm dealing with pastors and ministers, and I know this presentation is not for any other person, but only for pastors and ministers who really cares about changing their finances and be free from financial embarrassment, strengthening their lives, homes, and ministries without compromising their ministerial integrity. Please do not continue if you are satisfied with your financial condition, because something in it will shock you. Majority of pastors and ministers suffer in silence over financial challenges and keep their challenges to themselves because it seems there is no one to understand their ordeals. Right now, you will not be making enough money as pastors to buy what you want or take care of your family members. You may also be facing financial embarrassment and have loads of debt threatening your life. Maybe your case is just too frustrating and thinking no one cares. Anyway, this is exactly what this presentation is all about, and this is what I am aiming to solve. This presentation will provide lasting solution to solving that financial challenges that threatens your life, children's education, even your ministry. This is the first time a program that practically shows pastor what to do to earn side income will be discussed in the open. Until now, I don't know any. But honestly, I went through internal struggles and sleepless nights thinking over this, either or not to release it to the public. But from my personal experience, this income blueprint I'm going to share with you is one of the best ways to get started making passive income online as pastors and ministers. It is one of the most straightforward methods available today for every pastor and minister who needs extra income for his home and ministry. It is financially lucrative, personally satisfying, ministerially fulfilling, and can be built on whatsoever you enjoy doing, even as ministers in the ministry. But there are 3 things I want you to understand before we move ahead. Number 1, there is money everywhere if you know where to look. I'm talking of legitimate money, godly money, not devoid of dubious attitude or dubious action. There is money everywhere if you know where to look. Number 2, there is a lot of money to be made online if you are open and ready to learn. And this is what I'm going to teach you. Making money online right from the comfort of your home, on your laptop or your phone is very, very possible, and is very, very easy if you know what to do and you are ready to learn. Number 3, you have to decide for your financial freedom. Your determination to get out of financial embarrassment is your personal choice. No one does that for you. You have to decide for it. This presentation is aimed at pastors, ministers of gospel in any capacity, either you are missionary, you are evangelist, volunteer, or any Christian worker with little or no income who desires a change of financial status. But wait a little bit. Before you read on, kindly read the following disclaimer. I know I'm dealing with pastors, and some of us are skeptical about this, but my lawyer asked me to put this to you as a legal disclaimer, and I'm going to read word for word for you to really understand what I'm saying. The content of this presentation is extremely powerful when applied. Use it at your own risk. During this presentation, I'm not making any claims as to the amount of money you will make by undergoing this training and applying it to your finance. Many people will make millions using this strategy in this presentation, while others will make nothing and claim the system is not working. This depends largely on whether they apply it or not, their circumstances, their strength, their resources, their learning capacity, their availability, their commitment. All of these factors are not within my control, for I cannot control any of them. And hence, even though this training is powerful, is working, is what I've been using, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Effort is required to make it work. Hence, the information I'm presenting to you is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And you should fully indemnify, hold harmless, and defend Uncommon Sense International Limited. This is a company that I've registered that is putting it to you, and Samuel Oyedowu, myself, from all claims, liabilities, losses, costs, expenses by taking this course and implementing it. Now that I've read the disclaimer, this presentation is not for every pastor and minister. I said it earlier. Why? If you hold the belief that God does not support pastors and ministers having extra income, this presentation is not actually for you. If you are comfortable with your financial status and don't need extra income, there's no point going ahead with this presentation. If you are not open to learning new things, there may be not need for you to continue with this presentation because it's not actually for you. If you are too spiritual and heaven is only your focus and you don't care about your family here on earth, you can be like that prophet that died in debt and leaving his wife and family in trouble. Kindly don't waste your time to continue with this presentation. Now, who is this presentation meant for? It is meant for pastors, evangelists, missionaries, teachers of the word, pastors' wives, drama ministers, ministry workers, etc., whose future, that is their retirement age, has suddenly become the major concern. It is meant for pastors, ministers who struggle to take care of their families financially. It is meant for pastors or ministers whose income is far near a sufficient level to survive. You understand what I'm saying if you find yourself in this situation? It is meant for pastors and ministers who are limited by money in one way or the other. It is meant for pastors and ministers whose children's education is being threatened by school fees. It is meant for ministers whose life and ministry are being threatened by debt and want to be free. It is meant for ministers who needs extra income apart from their peanut salary and truly desire financial freedom with peace of mind. It is meant for all the denominational ministers who are surviving only on peanut salary. This is for you and whosoever desires to get financial freedom with peace of mind. What you will learn in this presentation, I will show you a unique way to convert your neglected skills to cash generating machine, profiting between 6 and 7 figures consistently every single month. I know you may find it difficult to believe, but if you stay to the end of this presentation, I'm going to give you access to my complete step-by-step blueprint of how to do this without any technical jargons. Even if you have never touched computer before, you can still do it. I only stopped my 10-year-old boy from doing it because that is not his focus. I will give you a lifetime access completely free to the powerful tools I use to build this system in less than 2 hours without any experience at all. I usually spend less than 30 minutes to set up a web page up and running. This is completely for free. One of the tools I'm going to give you for free cost me $399, and you can know the meaning in naira, 143,640 naira. Kindly do this before we get started. Put your phone in silence mode or you switch it off. Close the doors behind you. Tell your family not to disturb you because you want to do something. You are in for a serious issue. Close your Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, email, Twitter, etc. Close the notification. Turn off your TV, radio, web pages, and every form of distraction. Please, you need to be focused, as you know the power of focus. Make your time investing, watching this presentation count, because what you're about to learn will change your financial life. I promise you. Now, who is this man? And why should you listen to me? I am a serial entrepreneur, digital marketing expert, and a business coach and conference speaker. I'm the founder of Uncommon Sense Limited, I'm a Christian blogger and internet minister. I am a denominational pastor. I have over 20 years experience in online activities. As you can see in my picture, my name is Reverend Sam O. Idowu. To those of you who know me, and to those who do not know me, this is me. You know some of the online activities I'm doing. Let me put you through my background story of grace to grass. Of grass to grace, I beg your pardon. In 1998, I was introduced to internet. That was the first contact I had with internet while I was doing my national diploma. I was in ND2 then, in Federal College of Agriculture by a deeper life brother. I can never forget this brother in my life. In 1999, I was introduced to Success Digest magazine. This magazine introduced me to SADC, Success Attitude Development Center, headed by Dr. Sonny Ojagbase. This was where my internet experience actually started. Between 1999 and 2002, I went through a lot of paid and free seminars and trainings in SADC. I was a faithful buyer of this magazine for more than 10 years. These trainings contributed a lot to all I'm doing today online. Some of them are forex trading, information marketing, how to make money organizing seminars, how to design website, how to trade crude oil, how to start profitable blog, how to do list building and email marketing, AdSense, survey taking, mini importation, etc. But listen to me, all this training did not make me a couple. Not because they were not real, but because I was not focused. And money was not my primary target then. But how to leverage on internet for ministerial fulfillment, that was my target then. But let me show you some of the certificate I got while going for this training. You can see this. This is information marketing business. You can see my name there, Pastor Samuel Idowu. This is demystifying the internet. The same Success Attitude Development Center. This is another one, information certificate of participation. This is how to trade forex. This is another one, the secret of trading crude oil. And several of that. My ministerial background, I was commissioned along with my senior pastor in December 1999. I have served under men of God who really taught me in ministry. So I understand how living by faith really works. I was led back to my denomination in 2004. And has since then been leading one of my satellite churches, which has been independent 10 years ago. This is my academic, my ministerial training degree. I got BTH, pastoral degree, from a renowned Baptist College of Theology. But I want you to look at my research title, what you call project, Use of Information and Communication Technology as Imperative Tools for Evangelism. My MTH and MA degree in church history from renowned theological seminary also. By the time you are watching this video, I must have finished my program then. But at the time I'm doing this, I'm at the final stage of completing my thesis. Look at the dissertation title, Perspective of Gospel Ministers on the Use of ICT as Satanic Tools for Church Growth. Now, there's something I want to show you here. You will discover that both my BTH and my MTH program focused on ICT. Why? Because internet is my passion. I've used internet to achieve a lot, both for my personal need, for finances, and for the ministry growth. So I am a pastor of a denominational church of close to 200 in membership by the grace of God. Now enough of me. Let's go back to our main focus for this training. Why am I doing this? You may want to ask, why am I doing this? My experience and interaction among pastors and ministers, both within the country and outside, was not a palatable one, just because of what they experienced in their various ministerial endeavors. Many of us were not taught in seminary how to raise money for ministry and for personal need. We were taught to trust God only for every need of ours, which is powerful and Bible-based. But all your ministerial training in seminary is not enough to succeed in life and ministry. I must tell you that. The biblical revelation is needed to make it in life. Yes, I will explain better later on. My first internet seminar for pastors and ministers, based on my training in SCDC, I got to know a lot of things people don't know. I wanted to teach pastors how to leverage on internet. So I organized my first seminar titled Pastors and Internet Seminar, How to Leverage on Internet for a Fulfilled Ministry. I advertised this seminar on Punch Paper, Success Digest magazine, and I used a media house which I don't want to mention. The seminar venue and audiovisual instruments were fully paid for. Loads of materials were prepared, fully loaded for the seminar, and I charged zero fee because money was not my focus. I just wanted to teach my pastors and men of God out there what I know. The result from the seminar, I got over 500 calls in response to the advert placed across the media platforms that I use. Several feedback in my inbox. Good signal, right? That the seminar will be fully jam-packed. But do you know what? Only one pastor attended the seminar, even with the zero cost of attendance. I knew something they don't know and wanted to teach them free. But so disappointing and frustrating, right? Yeah. What did I do next? I repackaged the seminar and moved straight to Lagos from Ibadan, and I charged 10,000 naira as seminar fee. The result? Yes, with the same input as before, the same content, the same materials, the same preparation. Over 200 pastors and ministers attended the seminar with 10,000 naira as fee across the country. My jaws was full. I got satisfaction, got money, and equally left blessed and happy those who came for the seminar. Now, this is my shocking discovery. The National Association of Evangelicals released a survey on Tuesday conducted by Grey Matter Research last July, which interviewed 4,249 pastors and found that most pastors face severe financial troubles as they struggle with expenses and debt and don't earn enough to secure their long-term financial stability. The reference is below this program. You can see the reference in order to confirm the genuineness of this survey, this result. This is one of the discovery when the research was carried out. Many pastors also struggle to secure long-term financial stability. 33% have under $10,000 in retirement fund. 29% have zero in personal savings. You may testify to this. How much do you have in your personal savings as pastor? When asked to rank their financial concerns, 92% pastor identified lack of retirement savings. 84% felt they did not have needed fund for emergencies and larger purchases. I pray no evil will before you. If you have any case of emergencies, where do you run to now? Nobody. 60% were concerned about medical insurance and bills, and 54% of pastors were concerned about the lack of college savings for their children's education. This is heartbreaking. Many pastors' children were sent out of school because they don't even have the fund. Over 85% of pastors said they did not receive financial training from the seminary. Did you receive one? While you were passing through ministry, did you receive one? No, including myself. Many pastors, about 37%, are not familiar with what resources the denomination offers for personal finances. Over a third of pastors said they have no one outside their household in whom they can confide about the things that stress them financially. We are told not to confide in our members, in our family members, just to trust God. But this is heartbreaking. Additional fundings include, I want you to listen very carefully and read what I'm saying if it applies to you. 90% of pastors felt some level of financial stress in their family and church work. 76% of pastors know other pastors who left the ministry due to financial pressure. Are you also considering leaving the ministry because of financial pressure? Just wait until you finish this presentation. 63% of pastors' spouse work outside the home. 31% of pastors work a second job to help make ends meet. Around 60% of pastors do not receive health insurance or retirement fund from their church. 25% of pastors have medical bills averaging $7,253. Over 80% of pastors serve congregations in rural and smaller communities. Only 19% serve in a larger city or larger city suburb. Over half of pastors have served their current congregation for more than 6 years. This spring, with support from Lilly Endowment Incorporation, the NAE launched a multi-year initiative to address economic challenges being faced by pastors. The initiative will focus on connecting and resourcing denominations, churches and pastors in the area of pastors' finance. The NAE is committed to developing solutions for the financial pressure pastors face, said Brian Clute, NAE Project Director. We are excited to help pastors move to a place of greater financial health, freeing them to lead their congregation well. Now let me say this. These findings and this research was carried out in the United States of America. But let me tell you, sirs, it is applicable to every pastor wherever you are, in Nigeria and across Africa. We face the same challenge because we pastor different congregations. But if an organization, an AGO, could stand up to the rescuing of pastors to make them free from their financial stress, I think it is a laudable experience. And that is why I'm doing this, like I told you. Let's just continue. Fear of future is disturbing. Many of the denominational pastors suffer in silence over financial crisis. Some could not meet up with the financial demand facing their homes, ministries. What of the issue of debt facing them? And yet they are taught not to borrow from their members. The most pathetic thing is that you are not taught how to make money in seminary, I said that, and other theological institutions you went to. All we were taught is to live by faith. But they have forgotten that faith without corresponding action is no faith at all. Have you come across these Bible passages in the Bible? I put this there because what I'm doing presently is based on the revelation of the Word of God. I told you the other time that the revelation of the Word of God is needed to live our life. And that is what prompted me of doing this that I'm doing. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 1. Invest your money in foreign trade, and one of these days you will make a profit. Put your investment in several places, many places even, because you never knew what kind of bad luck you are going to have in this world. That is investment secret. These Bible passages applies to pastor also. You are not to preach it to your member alone, you are to live in it. Acts chapter 20 verse 34. You yourselves know that I have worked with these hands of mine to provide everything that my companions and I have needed. That is passive income secret. Paul, an apostle, worked, labored, strived. I can't compare him with any of the pastors today. Yet, he said, I have worked with my hand. He has made use of the skills that God has given to him, tent making, and he has provided for himself and for his companion. That is passive income secret. Does this make any financial sense to you at all, sir? Do you even believe it empowers you and your financial muscle also as a minister? You can read the following scriptures. Write them down. 1 Corinthians chapter 4, 11 to 12. I don't want to read it because of my time. I don't intend to keep this presentation so long. But you can write them down. Pause this video, write them down and read it again. Now, why many ministers are poor and might never prosper in life? Let's run quickly through some reasons I have identified in the midst of pastors based on my personal experience, even as pastor, though not in a particular order, and it's not limited to all this. Number 1, ignorance. The worst enemy man ever has. Proverbs chapter 19 verse 2. Also, that the soul, pastors inclusive, be without knowledge, it is not good. The man of God I highly refer, and from whom I drink every day, every moment, says, and I quote, every man's mountain in life is his ignorance. David Oyedepo. People usually fight what they don't know. And what you don't know, pastors. If you care to learn what others are doing and be free financially for life, then I'm ready for you. You can live completely out of debt for the rest of your life if you know what to do. This is my assertion. I believe you have read this in the newspaper some times ago. This is a pastor that kidnapped himself in order to defraud the church of 3 million ransom. It's a part of one of our denominations, very highly referred denomination in Ado-Ekiti. We don't need to go into this before we can gain financial freedom. Pastors are doing some unhearable, unthinkable things just to make money these days. That is not what God sent us to do. You can do legitimate things and earn yourself financial freedom. Can you see what pastors are doing? As the pastor said, as the candles are melting, your problems will be melting. Stupidity will kill people before their time. Mr. Pastors and Prophet, must we go to this extent damaging people's life because of money in the name of prophetic action? I don't think this is what you are to do. Can you hear this? And can you read this also? A pastor giving an ignorant lady a detour. A detour. Wow. Can we go to this extent? Damaging people's life because of money and in the name of prophetic action? Can you see this also? Spraying insecticide on members to cast out demons. Is this prophetic action? Oh my God. Can we go to this extent damaging people's life, pastors, because of money and in the name of prophetic action? You don't need to do all this to make legitimate money. This is another reason I've identified. Neglect of natural endowment and skills. And this is what I'm focusing on this training. Every pastor has at least a skill in him. Skill is inborn or acquired. Look at Psalm 78 verse 72. So he fed them according to the integrity of his heart and guided them by the skillfulness of his hand. This is talking about David. Acts 18 verse 3. And because he was of the same craft, he was of the same business with them, the same skill, he abode with them and wrought, for by their occupation they were tent makers. This is talking about Paul. Your skill is a pathway to financial freedom if properly harnessed, and this you will soon discover. Please, let's go on. Another reason is mediocrity and freebies mentality. Pastors, many pastors are stagnated today, stingy, and carried freebies mentality. Majority of them will never invest in their lives and ministry because they are used to free materials from Oyibo. That's why Oyibos are prospering more than Africans. Let me ask you this question quickly, pastors. When last did you attend a paid seminars, conference, coaching program, or invest in books, both within and outside the ministerial school? When last have you done that? When last did you attend one? A few years ago, I was in a conference where Pastor Matthew Ashimolo of AICC London was the guest preacher. He was talking of how he attended a seminar on how to read books and fast, how to read books fast and retain between 80 to 95% of what he read. Wow, that sounds like what I needed because I love books. I started doing research on it and eventually got another course on speed reading mastery. It's a coaching program. Now I can read faster and gain higher retention. I jumped quickly at that course. The course cost me around $49, $17,885 in Naira equivalent. Now listen to me. Just wait to the end of this course. I will give you free access to this coaching program also. Just wait to the end. I will give you these books, this coaching program, so that you also will read it and enjoy. You can read faster. Another reason why many pastors are poor, they don't take risk. Risk is one of the elements of faith. The higher you risk, the higher you gain. Many pastors cannot risk what they have at hand to get what they need. God is the risk or the greatest risk taker ever. Do you know that if God did not risk Jesus Christ, he would never have many children to himself today? He risked the only son he had, and he had millions of children today. You are one of them, I am one of them, but you risk Jesus. You need to be taking care of that. Over spirituality. Pastors, you are too spiritual. Yes, many pastors are too spiritual for money to come their way. Over spirituality is not spirituality at all, but spiritual ignorance. Stop pretending you don't need money. Be open to learn what you don't know, and money will come your way. Yes. Now let us see how to really make side income with our skills. How to earn side income monthly and consistently, converting your skills to cash generating machine as pastors and ministers. You only need to set this program up once and get paid for life. I hope you are following me. I'll be showing you 5 steps to make consistent 6 to 7 figures every month by converting your neglected skills to cash generating machine. Number 1 step, please pay attention. You want to jot down, pick your pen and jot, identify your skills. Pastors, I believe all of us, we have one skill or the other. Your hobby, your passion, your talent, your skills, what you love doing. The first thing is you have to identify it. There's something you are good at, which people are really looking for. You carry something special that makes you unique from others. For example, some of you are professionals before you enter the ministry. Even in ministry, some of you possess a unique and some level of unusual insight into languages or leadership or human development. If I need what you have desperately, I can pay you to get what you have because I really need it. That is the essence of skill. That is essence of skill. Number 2, after you have identified your skill, you need to identify a problem in your skills, a problem area you want to solve with your skill. Let me use this for example. You need to narrow down from general niche to sub-niche. Niche in this context is talking about a broad topic, broader topic. And I've cited an example. You can see general niche and sub-niche. General niche, for example, is leadership. In leadership, we can talk of something like branding, public speaking, seminars. How to organize a seminar as somebody that has a leadership skill. How do you make money through it? By organizing seminar. You may focus on seminar alone. How do we organize seminars? That is a skill. That is a problem you want to solve. In health, for example, fibroid, cancer, diabetes, and hypertension. These areas are sub-niches which we can also go into. You can't say you want to solve health problem. No, it is so broad. You need to narrow down to solve a particular, a unique niche, sub-niche. Fibroid is a case, and fibroids being treated naturally without going to hospital, without going for operation. Cancer, hypertension. If you know a particular thing you can do, if you are a medical doctor and you are a pastor and you want to help people, you can create an information product in this and sell like a crazy cake. Language is a broader niche, like I told you, a general niche. You can narrow down Yoruba, Spanish, Hebrew, Greek, French. Musical instrument. Music is a very wider niche. Like I said, you can come down to string instrument, voice training, drum. Even under instrument, you have guitar, saxophone, keyboard, talking drum. You can discover a particular problem you want to solve with your skill. There's a particular problem your skill will solve, not general. That is the next thing to do. Farming, the same thing. Cucumber, grass cutter, watermelon, snails, ICT, programming, and so on and so forth. Do you understand my point now? You can't just go ahead to solving a general problem. You must narrow the problem down to a well-specific one, still within the general niche you have identified. After you have done this, let's go to the next. Step 3, validate your problem. Validate the problem. Number 1, don't forget you identify your skill. Number 2, you identify a problem that your skill can solve. Then number 3, step 3, to validate that problem. What do I mean? Before you go ahead to create a solution to that problem, you have to be sure that there is a sufficient audience looking for solution in that identified problem area in step 2. This alone will give you a serious edge and confidence you are having a sellable product people will beg you to pay for. Step 4, you have to create a solution. Creating a solution is creating an information product. Write a short report that provides a step-by-step specific solution to the identified problem. This could be a 15 to 50 page or more on Microsoft Word. It depends on the kind of problem you are solving in your report. So the solution you are creating is called information product or short report or digital product. Is the same thing. Step 5, you sell the solution. You sell the product that you have created. All you need to be able to move the mouse of your computer and from the comfort of your room. For example, now I have identified an area in the pastoral niche. Pastors need, the secret desire of many pastors is how to make side income, how to make another money, additional money to fulfill their life, their family's need and ministry. And this is what I am doing presently. It's a practical thing I am teaching you. Now, there are 2 things you need to sell your product, which is your solution. Number 1, you need a sales page. A sales page could either be text or video. For example, what brought you into this page is what I call sales page. And the video you are watching presently is my sales page, but a video. Now, after that, you need to price your product. Do not price your product lower than 5,500. Though you are in control of your price because it is your product and it is unique with you. This depends on the value you are giving out and delivery mode you are employing. I have bought a 15-page ebook for $27, which is 9,855 naira before, which is highly packed with value, and a coaching program as high as $499. And I love it. That's 182,000 naira, 135. This is what I have purchased. I spend heavily on information products because information is the currency of life. If you are not properly informed, you will be deformed, even as pastor. You are in control of your price. The information product is your intellectual property. Though, if you are starting out as a beginner, you can price your product low to gain people's attention and trust. As you continue, you can become authority in your niche and you can sell a product worth millions. I have sold a 2-page information product before for 5,500 naira when I started back in 2008. The information was just on how to browse the internet for free. The product contained just a software and how to connect it. Simple. It sold like a cake. Just 2 pages. I sold it for 5,500. Number 2 things you need. Don't forget, number 1 is sales page. Number 2 is traffic. Not just any traffic, but buyer traffic. And that's why we'll be using the giant of social media, which is Facebook. We'll be using Facebook to drive traffic to our product. People who are really crazy about your product will locate you on Facebook. Now let's do this beautiful calculation to see how profitable this is. Let's take, for example, if you are spending $20, which is 7,200 daily on a campaign, which is Facebook advert. Facebook will give you 1,000 clicks at 0.02 per click. That's 0.02 cents per click. Now, if your information product is being sold for 7,500, you will make 5 sales per day. That is 1 out of every 200 people that visit your page or video will buy your product. I repeat, If Facebook sent 200 people to your face, to your offer, to your product, one out of those 200 people will buy. By calculation, by experience, one will buy. Meaning that for you to get 1,000 clicks, 1,000 people, that's the meaning, that clicks on your lead, on your offer, out of that 1,000, it is sure that 5 will buy. Do you get it now? Yes. Now, and your product goes for 7,500. It means you have 7,500 times 5, which is 37,500 naira on a daily basis. On a daily basis. So if you keep spending this on a daily basis, it means you'll be making 37,500 naira daily. Multiply by times 30 a month. You have 1.125 million naira. Isn't that awesome? How much can this do in your life? Can it make any difference? Having a million naira, which is 7 figure on a monthly basis, does it make any financial sense to you? Let's continue. Now, if this sounds like what you really need, then listen up. Now, I want to help 50 pastors to be financially free through this process. Introducing Skill Advantage Masterclass for pastors and ministers. This is a coaching program I have prepared for pastors on how to use your skills to make 6 to 7 figures. It's a powerful blueprint that guarantees consistent 6 to 7 passive figures on a monthly basis by converting your neglected skills to cash generating machine. Before I show you how to get access to this course, let me show you what you will be getting in this Skills Advantage Masterclass. What you are getting if you get this course today, you get access to my Skill Advantage Master Portal, where you have access to my live resources to show you the step-by-step procedures to get you started in 48 hours. This is both video and PDF format. You know, I told you the other time on your delivery mode. This course is in video and PDF. I will add it to my 30 days mastermind inner group for real-time coaching. This values at 50,000 naira. I will use my years of experience to help you along in choosing the most profitable ideas or skill that will make you money fast. This values at 20,000 naira. My powerful 4 tools to validate the profitability of your information product. Even before you create them, I told you, once you confirm the validity of that product, you will make money. Yes, I said money. That values at 40,000 naira. How to design e-cover for your information product. That values at 15,000 naira. You can do all this yourself. You don't need it. It is so simple. How to get hot problem solving information product to sell without lifting your hands to create any. Other people will do that job for you while you sit down and leverage on the effort of that people. This value at 25,000 naira. I'm going to teach you how to design a professional website within 30 minutes. This is guaranteed, without paying a penny to any web designers. Do it yourself method. Drop and drag and drop method. No programming knowledge required. This will help you to build buyer lists and gain authority fast. These values at 100,000 naira. You can go outside there and ask how much people pay to get their website, but you can do it yourself. I will show you how to register a domain name of your choice and host your website for as low as possible. These values at 15,000 naira. You may be wondering what is domain name. Your domain name is www.yourwebsite.com. So simple. I'm going to give you my secret weapon of writing and designing a superb sales page and landing page to sell your information product. It will include the product description, your name, your picture, your bank account, and the likes. This value at 50,000. I will show you the winning secret of writing a convincing sales copy that will make buyer to instantly pull cash out of their pocket and even beg you to collect the money from them. This value is at 35,000. I am there. I've experienced it before. I will show you how to create a professional fan page on Facebook so people can see you as an expert in the field. This value is 5,000 naira. I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook to advertise your information product to the right audience and cash in, and the right audience with cash in their pocket, plus the exact secret to get 100,000 subscribers, people who are interested in buying your product. This is my top secret. It's like revealing my entire business secret to you, but I don't mind since this is my desire. I want you to be free financially. This value at 25,000 naira. I will give you access to my secret video report on Facebook advertising. Yes, like I told you, I bought a lot of courses to make things easier for me and to be more knowledgeable about what I do. So this I'll be offering them for you for free. The step-by-step procedures to set up this business and to make it run on autopilot that brings cash in non-stop even while sleeping or busy with your operation or your ministerial work. It values at 50,000 naira. I'm going to show you how to get 1 month free autoresponder you can use to mail your list on autopilot. This will put your business on complete autopilot. Now let me say this, if you know this secret alone, it applies to all other things you do. You can write books. Some of you over there are writing books that never go beyond the 4 walls of your church because you don't know how to market it to people. This secret will sell your book to your audience anyway. Yes, the next thing is, how do I access this training and how much will it cost me? You may want to ask. So there are 2 ways to access this program. That is 2 payment processors we are using. Number 1 is that you pay directly to the bank account or you pay directly online instantly. I think that one is very, very good. So if you scroll below this video, you will see our bank details there. You see our bank details there. This one will give you opportunity to make your payment and have access directly to the membership area where you will access all the trainings. The other thing I want you to know is this training comes in as videos. It is step-by-step videos and a PDF. So you watch me doing it live and direct. Then you see the PDF details. So for your reference point. So I've put in much effort to making sure that you get value and you begin immediately, even if you don't have any experience as far as internet is concerned. So number 2 ways of getting access of making payment is to make your payment through online platform called Paystack. I'm going to show you the link directly to the payment now. So it's going to make it easier for you anywhere you are. You can make payments, either you are Maiduguri, you are Sambisa Forest, wherever you find yourself, wherever your ministry is, you can make your payment through this link. Just go straight to this link you are seeing presently, https://paystack.com/pay/SamC. So you can watch the payment being done online instantly. This will refer you directly to the membership area where you begin your training or your study immediately. Now I'm going to show you in a moment what you will see when you go back to the page, because I want to show you live and direct so that you will not have any mistake of or any delay or any mistake of moving forward. Yes, this web page you are watching presently, if you scroll down, let me show you. This is the video you are watching presently. Now if you scroll down below this video, you will see this green button. So if you click on that green button, it will take you to online payment. But let me show you the first payment method so that you can begin to make your payment now. But the offer will not stay for long. It is only limited to few pastors, and immediately I reach that number, I'm going to pull down this video, or I will increase the money to 30,000 naira. I actually put 30,000 naira there to scare some pastors away, sincerely, because I know the more pastors I have in my hand, the more trouble I will find myself. So I prefer having sizable number. I'll be able to watch over, I'll be able to train, and they can be able to be free financially. So the offer will not stay long. You can see it. Once this timer hits 0, the offer will jump back to 30,000 naira. And that is simple truth. You can't get it lesser than 30,000 naira. So to make your payment, transfer 10,000 naira into this bank account on Common Sense International. It's a current account. You have GTB and EcoBank, either of the accounts, of the bank, depending on your proximity to those two banks. You can do that if you want to pay directly into the bank account. So this is the bank detail. After your payment is settled, you are going to follow it. You are going to send the name, your own personal name, your email, and the bank you paid to. You will send the money, the details of those information to this phone number. You can see the step 2 instruction. Just follow the instruction. Please don't call me. Send SMS. Send SMS. Immediately you send SMS, we are going to receive your SMS and we will make a confirmation of your payment immediately, so that we can send your product link to you and you can begin to download them or you watch them online as the case may be. It depends on your time. You can download them and watch them at your time and make sure you master it very well. So the second payment method, is payment online. Immediately you click here. Anytime, if it is 1 a.m. in the night, you can click here. You can have direct access to the product. Immediately you click on pay online. This is where it will land you. You get to this place. This is where you put in your effort. Just like this, you put in your effort and you click pay. Your information, you click pay. As soon as you get to this page, what this thing is asking from you is the numbers on your ATM card. Put in the number on your ATM card. Put the expiring details, that is the month and the year. Then for CVV, check the back of your ATM. You will see the 3-digit number there. Put it there and click pay. Once you click pay, you will be redirected to the product portal, that is the membership portal, where you will have direct access to the product and begin to study yourself. Now let me show you some of the bonuses I have for you. If you are lucky to be part of the first 20 pastors, this is a software called InstaBuilder. I'm going to give you this software for free. I'm giving you agency version of it for free. The software alone costs 71,000, almost 72,000 naira. If you are going to, you can Google it online and see it yourself. I'm going to give you for free. That is what we use to build your website with the tutorial. The next thing is I'm going to give you my unlimited support for 365 days. That is 1 year. You can't value it. You can't value time. So for a whole year, I will be there for you to put you through until you make your headway. Then I'm going to give you my jealously guarded Facebook secret. This is where the money is. This is a 29 update. Anyway, it's no more 29, it's 2020, because I told you I've updated it. This is part of the first thing that came along with the first edition. So, but I have updated the Facebook advertisement secret. You're going to get it. It values 35,000 naira plus. So I'm going to give you for free complete access to my private Facebook group. You are going to be brought into my group where you meet other people. During the course of the presentation, I promise you this course. I bought this course online. Speed reading mastery course. How to read faster and retain at least higher percentage of what you have read. 17,000 naira 885. That's the value. That's the amount I purchased it online. Going to give you as a bonus. So they have told you the price. This is the price that came with the first edition, but I've reduced the price because of much people who would really desire to have it. So one-time fee is 10,000 naira. Go to this link and make your payment online immediately. Now let me show you this. This is one of the mails a pastor sent. You can see I blocked the name and this ministry and the town this man is having his ministry. You can read it yourself. He said, I have been serving as a congregational pastor in so place since 2002. At least the church is trying to give us all the support that we need as a family. However, my fear is that there is no fund that is put aside for my retirement. Moreover, I am not in a position to provide good education to my children. Pastor, help please. Can you see? This is what you probably or many other pastors are facing. I have faced this before. I must confess to you. This is what we are facing. Nobody is there to help you. Your retirement, you are just trusting God. A lot of pastors are facing hell. Please subscribe to this thing. You have two choices. It's either you do nothing and remain where you are and retain your position, or you take action and change the course of your life for good and for better. So go back to that link, subscribe to it, click the pay online button, and make sure you make your payment and have direct access to this program. I want to close this presentation with this quote. Being broke is hard. Becoming wealthy is equally hard. Choose your heart. You can't escape either of the two, but choose one. The Lord bless you. I want to thank you for waiting till the end of this presentation, and thank you for watching. Please get across to me as quickly as possible. As soon as I get 20 people, I'm going to shut down the access to this program, or I increase the fee to 30,000 naira to scare people away until I am done with the second batch I want to face now. Then by the time I come for the third batch, if I come out from the third batch at all, it's going to be on the higher side. So I want to give you this maximum opportunity. The year just begins. Let's make good use of it. Consider that pastor, he couldn't provide good accommodation for his children. Consider the wife. Consider several pastors' family who have been, chartered because of financial stress. The Lord is helping us this year. We can do something together. I have this knowledge. I want to help you. Make sure you make the payment now, and let's dive into the membership area and continue the good work. I want to really appreciate you one more time. Thank you, and God bless you. See you on the inside of membership area. Bye.